All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about a little bit more about addition and subtraction within 10. Okay, so we've been talking about this for about a week now, but today I'm going to introduce you guys to some number bonds. Okay, number bonds take the part and the other part and it breaks it down so you can really see and understand it, okay? So I've written up some problems on here that we're going to solve together to help give you guys a little bit help with that worksheet. So we have our first part. Let's look at our first part. Can someone tell me how many circles there are right here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. There's 5. So we're going to put 5 in the first box. Okay, 5 in the first box. Now, what are we doing here? We are adding. Good job. We are adding. We are using addition, okay? So we are doing 5 plus, or 5 adding. How many circles are right here? 1, 2. 2. Good job. There's 2 circles. So we have 5 plus, okay, plus 2 is equal to what? So if I have 5 fingers and I add 2 to that, okay, 5 plus 2 is 7. Good job. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This one is dealing with what? What is this sign? What are we doing here? What are we doing with these 2 parts? We are minusing. Good job. Okay, so we have our first part that we have to deal with. What is this? How many circles are here? There's 1, 2, 3. Yes. Oh, dropped my pen. There are 3 circles. And someone said we are minusing or we are subtracting. Okay? And how many circles are here? What are we minusing 3 from? Or what are we minusing 3 from? 1. Okay, so 3 minus or subtract 1 is equal to, what is 3 minus 1 equal to? Ladies and gentlemen, if I have 3 fingers and I take 1 away, how many do I have? I have 2. Good job. Okay, this last one's a little bit trickier. But does anyone think that they can see how many circles? No? Should we do it together? Okay. Last one. Can someone tell me how many circles there are? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 circles, okay? And can someone tell me what that is? Yes, that is minusing. And how many circles are we minusing from 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, our 2 parts is 8 and 4. And we are minusing, or we are taking away, or we are subtracting. Okay, so 8 minus 4. If I have 8 circles, and I chop off 4, how many am I going to have? 4, correct, okay? So, parts, whole, okay? If you guys flip over your worksheets, you guys will see that you guys have 3 or 4 of the number bonds with stars on top of the boxes, okay? I want you guys to identify, I want you guys to figure out what these symbols are before you do anything else, okay? And then I want you to count how many circles there are. Okay? And if you need any help, raise your question. Raise your hand if you have a question. Okay, I'll let them do that. And then, okay guys, so we have our word problem of the day. And I'm gonna read that out for you guys, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I want you guys to do. Okay, so Sally has 6 crackers. Sally has a total of 6 crackers at lunch. She starts with 6, okay? If Sally only ate 2 of those crackers, how many does she have left? Oh, don't say anything. Okay, so the first thing that I want you guys to do is I want you to get with your partners and I want you to identify what are the 2 parts out of this question, okay? And the first partner that's done can raise their hand. Okay, and the second thing I want you to do is I want you to write out your number bonds. Just like this, with the crackers as circles, okay, with your partner. And then I want you guys to read it out like I did with a sentence, like 5 plus 2 equals 7. With your partner, and I will walk around and make sure that everyone is doing it right. Understood? All right.